स्टेज पे जाके स्पीच देने के लिए।
Oh, wow. Wonderful. Okay, so let us start. Why am I not? Let us start. Yes, read. Sangeeta, Sangeeta,
Yes, ma'am.
please start reading.
Aditi was a student in class 11th. She wore a neat white kurta and blue shalwar. She liked read books, but she did not like to speak in English in front of many people. Many people.
Hmm. Okay, so who was Aditi? Who
Student
was Aditi?
11th student.
Aditi
11th
was
standard.
11th.
student.
Ha, she was a student of class 11. What was
11.
she wearing? What was she wearing?
White kurta and blue salwar.
Okay, very good. But say it in a full sentence. What was she wearing? So she was wearing a white kurta and blue salwar. What did she like to do?
He liked to read book.
Spoken English.
She liked to read books. And what was it that she did not like?
In English.
I can't hear
Spoken
you.
English.
She did
He did
not
not
like
like
spoken English.
Spoken English.
Okay, it is not spoken English. She did not like to speak in English in front of everyone. Okay. Yeah, is that clear? Let's move on. So just like Aditi, you all like to read books. You all like to read
yes,
books.
yes.
Oh, okay, wonderful. And how many of you now feel a little more confident to speak in English? Who is this? How many of you? What was my question? How many of you feel a little bit more confident now to speak in English? Okay, Prabodh feels confident. That's it. Only one person feels confident.
No, no.
Okay, let's proceed. Come on, read. So Soni Amte, read.
Yes, ma'am. One day, Mr. Verma. One day, Mr. Verma, the English teacher, come to the class 11. Must join the
Annual
annual didn't
debate, debate,
did debate competition.
competition, competition.
Competition. He said is a spectacle school event.
स्पेशल स्कूल इवेंट. डिबेट मालूम है क्या होता है?
Festivals.
नहीं, डिबेट फेस्टिवल नहीं होता है. डिबेट होता है आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, चर्चा और आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. डिस्कशन इज चर्चा एंड डिबेट इज आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. ओके, सो
Yes, ma'am.
डिबेट कंपटीशन होता है क्या आप लोगों के वहां पे हॉस्टल में या स्कूल में होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh wow, wonderful. Then have you all taken part in debate competition? Have you all taken part?
Yes.
Softball competition, football competition.
नहीं, debate competition I'm asking. डिबेट कंपटीशन होता है क्या आपके स्कूल और कॉलेज में?
Yes होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many of you have taken part? Oh wow, Prabodh has taken. Very good. So is it in Hindi or in English?
Hindi and English.
Hindi, English, both. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Come on, now let's start reading. Prabodh, you can read.
Ma'am, I can read.
Yes, please read. Come on.
मिस्टर मैं पढ़ूं मैम?
हाँ, पढ़िए पढ़िए.
Mr. Verma read the last of
List of names.
list of names. Adi will speak on the topic book or computers which is better.
Very good. What is the topic? What is the topic? Debate topic?
Adi will.
नहीं. डिबेट का टॉपिक क्या है?
Book or computers.
करेक्ट. बुक्स और कंप्यूटर्स एंड विच इज बेटर. बुक बेटर है कि कंप्यूटर्स बेटर है? तो आपके हिसाब से क्या बेटर है?
Book.
Okay. Now see, whenever I'm asking you question, try to answer in a full sentence, not just one word. Okay, that will help you to speak in English. Okay, that will help you in framing your sentence. Okay, so books are better. Okay, books plural हो गया तो books are better. साहिल ने लिखा है book is better. That is also correct English. Okay, wonderful. Okay, what is the name of the class teacher? What is the name of the class teacher?
हजारे मैडम.
आपके क्लास टीचर नहीं, इधर अदिति के क्लास टीचर. अदिति के क्लास टीचर कौन है?
वर्मा.
मिस्टर
वर्मा.
Very good. Come on. I can see Vasava Pradhan. Is that your name? Can you read, please? Come on. Come on. Okay, Ranjit Pavra, I can see the name. Please read.
Neha Paura.
हाँ, नेहा पावरा, read.
Aditi felt her heart break very fast. Sir, I can't speak, she whispered. I am too afraid to speak English on the stage.
Okay. So was Aditi ready to speak? Was Aditi ready to speak?
No.
पूरा sentence. No.
Aditya is reading English.
Aditi was not ready to speak. Was Aditi ready to speak?
No.
No, Aditi was not ready to speak. Okay. Why? Why was she not ready to speak? What was the
Because
reason?
you are afraid to speak.
Heartbreak.
Afraid
No,
to speak.
not heartbreak. It is heartbeat here. Aditi felt
Because
her
she is
heart
afraid to
beat
speak.
very fast. Yes. Arjun, yes, Arjun. What were you saying?
She is afraid to speak English.
Yes, she was afraid to speak English on stage. Okay. That is why she did not want to take part. Okay, let's move further. Come on. Now who is reading? Shesharao?
Can I
Yeah,
read, ma'am?
yes. Arjun, please read.
Mr. Verma smiled kindly. Aditi, you know all the words. You just need to be loud and clear. Practice with me after school.
Okay, so what did Mr. Verma say to Aditi? What did he say?
You know,
According to him,
You cow under.
Practice with me after school.
ओके और उनके हिसाब से क्या अदिति को आता था?
All words.
Words.
Yes, so Aditi knew all the words. Okay, Aditi knew all the words. It was just that she had to be loud and clear. Okay, come on now, who's reading?
I can.
Yes,
I
read.
can.
Shesharao, please read.
So Aditi went to the empty classrooms every day. She participated her
No, participate नहीं है बेटा, practiced है.
practiced her speech. She practiced saying the difficult English words. Mr. Verma listening and corrected her.
Corrected her. Very good. So what did Aditi do? What did she do?
Practice speech.
English words.
She practiced.
Going.
Yeah, tell me.
Practice in empty class.
She practiced her
He practiced in
speech.
empty class.
She practiced her speech in an empty class. Very good. Very nice. See, now you all are speaking in full sentences. Very good. Chalo, next page.
I can read, ma'am.
Yes, please read.
Hi, ma'am.
हाँ, पढ़िए.
The day of the annual debate competition arrived. The school at
Auditorium.
auditorium was full of students and
It is auditorium.
auditorium was full of students and teachers. Aditi felt the fear again.
So was Aditi feeling brave or she was feeling fearful? What was Aditi feeling? What was Aditi feeling? Was she feeling brave or fearful?
Fearful.
Fearful. पूरा sentence बोलो, ठीक है? Aditi was feeling fearful. Okay, come on now, next.
I can read, ma'am.
Yes, please read.
She walked onto the stage. The bright lights were hot. She looked at all the faces. Then she looked at Mr. Verma in the first row. He gave her a small, confident nod.
Very good. Okay. He gave her a small confident nod का मतलब क्या हुआ? He gave her a small confident nod का मतलब क्या हुआ? जैसे आप लोग बोल रहे हो, at that time I'm nodding, no? I'm giving you all confidence, okay? So that you all speak. So that is a small confident nod. Okay, come on. Next. Please read. Jyoti Pawra.
I can read.
Yes, I can see
Aditi.
Ravindra Tikare. Please read.
Aditi spoke the first line, "Good morning, everyone." Her voice was a little shaky but clear. Then she spoke about books and computers. The words came out one by one, better and better.
So how was what happened once she started speaking? एक बार उसने बोलना शुरू कर दिया तो क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? क्या वो हिचकिचाने लगी? यस. क्या वो हिचकिचाने लगी या कॉन्फिडेंट होती गई?
Confident होती गई.
Why do you think she became more confident? Why do you think? क्यों लगता है ऐसे?
Because of practice.
Wonderful. Because of practice and also because once you start doing, no, you start learning and then you become more confident, just like how you all play softball, football. एक बार आप खेलना शुरू करते हो तो आपको गेम का ये समझ में आता है। वैसे ही अगर एक बार आप बोलना शुरू करोगे इंग्लिश में तो वो भी आप फटाफट से कैच कर लोगे। ओके, इट इज द सेम थिंग। कम ऑन, यस ज्योति पावरा, प्लीज रीड।
When she finished, the whole hall clapped very loudly. Aditi smiled. She did not win the prize, but she won a bigger thing. She won the power to speak.
So what happened? Did she win?
Power to speak.
No, did she win? Did she win the prize?
No, she can't win the
She
prize.
did not win the prize. Very good. But then what happened?
She won the
Please
power of
control your.
speech.
Yes, please repeat. I'm sorry.
She won the power of speech.
She won the power to speak. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? She won the power to speak का मतलब क्या हुआ?
Loudly.
She won the power to speak यानी वो कॉन्फिडेंस उसको मिल गया। उसने भले ही प्राइज नहीं जीता हो, कॉन्फिडेंस जीत लिया ना खुद का। यस, यस और नो?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now let us discuss. How many of you feel confident to speak? सिर्फ speak, हाँ? मैं इंग्लिश हिंदी कुछ नहीं पूछ रही हूँ। How many of you
I can feel confident.
Wow.
I can feel.
I like that you spoke in the full sentence. I can feel confident. Yes, I can speak confidently, isn't it? Okay, who else? Who else feels confident to speak? Who else feels confident to speak? Okay, so now Aditi is in the story. I'm asking you all. Okay. Now who will tell me this? Whatever we read in short. Who can share this? अपने शब्दों में बताइए। चलो हिंदी में बताओ, फिर बाद में हम उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे। चलो हिंदी में बताओ, नो प्रॉब्लम। Come on, what did we read in this story? स्टोरी किसके बारे में थी बताइए।
मैम गर्ल के बारे में थी।
गर्ल के बारे में।
Spoken English.
पूरा बताइए।
मैम वो गर्ल के बारे में थी जो स्पीक मतलब वो स्पीकिंग में थोड़ी ये थी।
गर्ल का नाम था क्या?
तो उसके
ओके, फिर
उसके सर उसको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए कॉन्फिडेंट कर रहे थे।
ओके ओके
फिर वो रोज एमटी क्लासरूम में प्रैक्टिस करती थी।
हाँ ओके।
फिर एक बार उसने बोलना चालू किया तो वो और कॉन्फिडेंट हो गई।
वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस। फिर एंड क्या था?
लास्ट को कॉन्फिडेंस आया।
उसको कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया।
He won.
She did not win. She did not win the prize, but she became confident. As Prabodh has mentioned, practice makes man perfect. Acha, Prabodh, I want you to, I see that you always write the answers here. Prabodh, आप हमें English में बताएंगे? Yes, Prabodh. Will you share the full story in English, what you have understood? अपने इसमें, words में. In your words, come on. Come on, who will share? Yes, Sangeeta, would you like to share? Prabodh, why no? कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आएगा? एक बार सिर्फ स्टार्ट करना है बोलना, देखो फिर कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आता है. व्हेन यू आर लर्निंग समथिंग, पहले ही इसमें आपको नहीं आ जाएगा. कोई भी चीज पहले से नहीं आती है, हमें सीखनी पड़ती है और सीखने के लिए साहस करना पड़ता है. कम ऑन, वेरी गुड प्रबोध, प्लीज गो अहेड, ट्राई. Prabodh, I can't even see you on my screen. Are you starting? Are you beginning? I have no internet. Okay. Come on. Arjun, please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Aditi was in 11th standard. She was like to reading books, and she was not like to spoken English.
Okay. She liked to read books and she did not like to
Did not.
speak in English.
Yes. Next.
Very good. Very nice. You're doing great. Come on. Okay, who else? Who will take it further? Aditi was a grade 11 student. She liked to read books. She did not like to speak in English. Then what happened?
Because she afraid.
Then what happened?
She afraid to speak English.
She was afraid to speak in English. हाँ, वो तो हमने बता लिया, लेकिन बीच में फिर क्या हुआ? What did her teacher tell her? That she was chosen for annual debate competition, no?
Yes.
हाँ. Say it in your words. Aditi was chosen. Come on, Arjun, repeat after me. Aditi was chosen for the annual debate competition. Arjun, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat.
Aditi was in 11th class.
Okay.
He was like to reading books.
Was like to nahi. She liked to read books.
Okay. She was not like.
She did not like.
She did like to speak English. And
She was chosen.
annual
She was-
debate.
Yes, she was chosen for the annual debate contest. Wonderful. Then what did she do?
She afraid to speak English.
She felt afraid to speak in English. So what did she do? क्या किया उसने? She practiced, no?
She
Yes.
practice.
Yeah, so she practiced speaking in English. She practiced her speech in an empty classroom. She practiced her speech in an empty classroom. Then did she win any prize?
No, ma'am.
She did not win a prize. Then what did she win? What did she win? What did she win? She won her confidence.
Confidence.
Okay. Now, from all of you, how many of you like to read books and how many of you like computers? Chalo, you
Ma'am,
can
I
write.
can like book.
I can like, no, I like. Okay, Prabodh likes computer.
I like book. I like book. I like book.
Okay.
I like reading.
And computer also.
Okay, very nice. Okay, Ravindra says books. Madhukar says book. I think, okay, Jyoti Pavra says I like computer. Very nice. Very nice. Now, why? According to you, which is better, books or computer? Sahil says computer. Okay. So all those, okay, Arjun likes both books and computer. Computer is better. Why? Sahil, tell me why computer is better than books. Come on. Tell me why computer is better. Bol ke. Not in the chat box.
I can.
हाँ बोलो. ये जो मुझे स्क्रीन पे कोंदीराम करके दिख रहा है, आप कई बार बोलते हो. प्लीज कंटिन्यू. मुझे स्क्रीन पे कोंदीराम करके नाम दिख रहा है, आप बताइए. दिस इज अ स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास. बोलेंगे नहीं तो कैसे सीखेंगे? वी नीड टू स्पीक. कम ऑन. डोंट वरी. डोंट वरी के मेरा मैं अच्छे से नहीं बोलूंगा या बोलूंगी. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. कम ऑन. कम ऑन. ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो कैसे आएगा? Who all think that computers are better than books? And why? Why do you think computers are better than books? Come on. Sahil, tell me. I'm waiting for your answer. You have said computer is better, ma'am. Even, okay, Arjun is on both the sides. He likes books also and he likes computer also. So Arjun, according to you, which is better, books or computer? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? Okay, I don't want in the chat box. I want you all to speak. We are in a spoken English class. So we have to speak. साहिल, ये आपने जो लिखा है ना वो बोल के बताओ. Sahil, I want you to speak what you have written in the chat box. बहुत अच्छा लिखा है आपने. Why don't you speak? Come on, ऐसे ही confidence बढ़ेगा.
तो तुम
Okay, who is this ईश्वर वसावे? ईश्वर वसावे, आपके हिसाब से क्या बेहतर है, बुक्स या कंप्यूटर? व्हाट इज बेटर? व्हाट इज बेटर, बुक्स और कंप्यूटर? कम ऑन. Yes,
Computer.
computer is better. Why? Why computer is better?
I can tell my.
हाँ तो बोलो. बोलो. Who said I can tell?
Ma'am,
Yes.
because we can ask any question that computer give answer.
Oh wow, wonderful. Very nice.
Ma'am,
You can ask
I
questions.
can tell. I can tell.
Yes, बोलो सोनी. सोनी आमटे. Yes. तुषार नाम है ना
Computer is
आपका?
yes, ma'am. Computer is better than mine.
Better than?
Mine.
Computer is better than book, you mean? बुक से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
Okay.
बुक से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. So computer is better than books. So as Kondiram just said that whatever you ask the computer, it gives you answer. Very nice. Wonderful. Yes, Prashant Chaudhary, what you want
Thank
to
you,
say?
ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Akanksha, please go ahead.
Computer have a ability to store the lots amount of information. It has a multimedia that is easier to sharing the information. Computer give a up to date information to us.
Very nice. So that is why you think computer is better?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. And who all say books are better? Come on, now we have to tell them why books are better. ये दोनों ने computers के बारे में बोला तो हमारी books क्यों पीछे रह जाए? Come on. Who all think books are better? Come on, हमें उनको जवाब देना है. Let us give them answers. Come on. Debate करते हैं हम लोग भी. हम लोग भी debate करते हैं. Debate यानी argument. Akanksha and Kondiram, they both said that computers are better. So I want my other students who think books are better to come forward and tell why books are better. Okay, I will give one reason. Books will always be there, but computer can have virus. So all the data will be lost. But in the book, it will always be there. Come on, that is one point.
Ma'am, book is harmful for our vision and computer is book is not harmful for our vision and computer is harmful of our vision.
Very good. So books are not harmful to the environment. Computers are harmful to the environment. Very good. Very nice. Come on. One more we need. They gave us 3 points. We also have to give them 3 points. Come on. One more point we need. Computer consumes lots of electricity, isn't it? So it requires lot of money, no?
Yes.
Books don't require that much money, isn't it? Do they?
Yes.
Yes. So
Is computer better than book?
that is the question. Is computer better than book? That is the question. Okay, so we already had 3 reasons from each side. Which side do you think won? किसके points ज़्यादा strong थे?
Books. Book.
Yes, books के point ज़्यादा strong थे. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so today we read the story about this girl Aditi who is, who feels afraid to speak in English. आप लोगों में से कौन कौन अदिति से सेम है?
I'm
Okay, okay, Prabodh also. Who else? Sangeeta Pavra. Okay. तो सेम लाइक अदिति हमें भी क्या करना है? आदिति ने तो अपने फियर को ओवरकम कर लिया. आप लोग कैसे करोगे? आप लोग कैसे करोगे? How will you do? Yes, how will you do?
Because of practice.
Yes, with practice. Okay, 1 minute. Now there are lot of see, you can see there are lot of words given. अभी ये सारे जो words हैं ना, चलो let us 1 minute. ये सारे जो वर्ड्स है चलिए उससे सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं. विस्पर्ड, विस्पर्ड का क्या मतलब होता है? वी स्पीक वेरी सॉफ्टली एंड क्वाइटली कि किसी को सुनाई ना दे. सो लेट्स मेक अ सेंटेंस फ्रॉम विस्पर्ड. कम ऑन. यस शेषराव. प्रबोध बोलिए क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आप?
Are you all right? He whispered.
Are you all right? He whispered. Very nice. Lovely. Lovely. अभी हम उसके जो synonyms है ना, murmured, muttered, breathed, तो ये यूज करते हैं. murmured का मतलब क्या होता है? वो भी धीरे से बोलना होता है. muttered यानी हम सांस आई डोंट नो इफ अपने आप से जो बात करते हैं ना धीमी आवाज से, ये क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो दिस आई एम मटरिंग टू माई सेल्फ. Muttered is when we speak to ourselves. Okay. Yeah. So can we make a sentence for muttered? Come on. Can we make a sentence with muttered? Nobody can make?
He muttered something under his breath.
Very good. He muttered something under his breath. Okay.
He mutters and oscanter under his breath.
Okay. What is happening in the background? Okay. Wonderful. Yes. Okay. So these are the words for which you will be making sentences and submitting. Okay. You have that full questions over there. Now, imagine Aditi is your friend. How will you introduce Aditi to me? How will you introduce Aditi to me? Yes, Rohit. Please go ahead. How will you introduce Aditi to me? Come on, who will introduce Aditi to me?
No, it's chill, Baba.
Yes. Come on, introduce Aditi to me. Imagine Aditi is your friend. Okay. How will you introduce her to me?
Stage daring.
Huh?
But it's chill. We have a good week ahead of us.
Soni Amte. Yes.
Ma'am, stage daring.
मैं समझी नहीं क्या?
Aditya is the stage daring.
नहीं 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 नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. हम लोगों ने इंट्रोडक्शन सीखा है ना. सो हाउ विल वी से दिस इज माय फ्रेंड Aditi. She is in grade 11. She likes to read books. She doesn't like to speak in English. Then she has क्या उसके अचीवमेंट्स क्या है? She participated in the annual debate competition. Okay, come on. That is how you will introduce Aditi. Come on. Who will go ahead? आप लोग हैंड रेज करते हो, फिर मैं आपका नाम लेती हूँ तो आप कहाँ हो, गुम हो जाते हो. I can't see you. Yes, Rohit, you have raised your hand. Would you like to go ahead and introduce Aditi to me? Come on. Prabodh? Come on, Josh. Josh, can you introduce Aditi to me? Josh, Soni,
Yes, sir.
start.
Miss Teacher.
No, Prabodh, I did not hear you.
Hello, ma'am.
Haan, Josh, please go ahead. So you are
Teacher.
introducing Aditi to me.
Ma'am, I can't.
You can. I will help you. So you will say, this is my friend Aditi.
Ma'am, but I don't know her very well.
Aditi, the one in the story book. अभी जो हमने पढ़ा उसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on. This is my friend Aditi.
This is my friend Aditi.
She studies in grade 11.
She is studying in grade 11.
She studies.
She studies in grade 11.
Yes. She likes to read books.
She likes to read books.
She doesn't like to speak in English.
She doesn't like to speak in English.
And what did she? What were her achievements? She participated in the annual debate competition.
She participated in the annual debate competition.
Very good.
Thank you,
चलो
ma'am.
अभी अपने बारे में बताओ. Come on, Josh. Tell me about yourself.
First of all, good morning, ma'am. Myself, Jason. I am studying in grade 10.
एक मिनट. कभी myself नहीं बोलते. I am बोलते हैं.
I
Okay.
am Jason studying in grade 10. My hobby is to draw. And till now, there's not such an achievement in my life. But my aim is to become an Air Force officer in future.
वेरी गुड. ऐसा क्या नहीं है, अचीवमेंट तो होगा. अभी किसका भी अचीवमेंट नहीं है ना, तो what you can say, this I tell my younger students that my mother tells me I'm the best son or daughter. Okay, that is your achievement. कभी ऐसा मत सोचो कि मैंने कुछ अचीव नहीं किया है लाइफ में. नेवर थिंक लाइक दैट.
Okay.
कभी भी ऐसा नहीं सोचना है. अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तो टेल माय मदर थिंक्स आई एम द बेस्ट son or daughter in the world. Okay? Yes? Yes. Come on. Who else? Yes, Prabodh. हाँ बोलो.
मैम
Prabodh,
मैं
your
बोलूँ मैम?
name. हाँ बोलो सोनी.
Hi, hi. I am Tushar. Hi, good evening. I am Tushar. My my standard class is 8A. मैम माई सेल्फ से बताना है ना?
नहीं, हाँ माई खुद के बारे में ही बताओ. इट इज वेरी नाइस दैट यू आर टेकिंग इनिशिएटिव टू स्पीक. सबसे बड़ी बात तो वो है. ओके, अभी आप खुद के बारे में बता रहे हो तो बताओ. आई एम लिसनिंग. आई एम लिसनिंग.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, good evening. My name. Hi, good evening. I am Tushar. I am standard is 8A.
I study in standard A.
I studied in standard 8A. My hobby is army.
आर्मी हॉबी नहीं होगी वो. आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो ना. आपकी हॉबी मतलब आपको क्या पसंद है करना आपके फ्री टाइम में?
My hobby is a softball.
Is to play softball.
Is to play softball.
Very nice. My achievement. हाँ, my achievement. बताओ अपना अचीवमेंट. तुषार क्या जीता है? सॉफ्टबॉल का गेम जीता है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो बोलो ना. We have achievement is second place. Second place is a softball. Okay.
This game my favorite game, and
okay. And what you want to be when you grow up? What you want to be when you grow up? I want to be आर्मी ऑफिसर बनना है. क्या बनना है?
I want to be a army officer.
Very good. I want to be an army officer. Very good. Very nice. Come on. Madhukar Aditi, she's my ma'am. And ma'am, he's my friend. Aditi ma'am, she's class 11. She likes read story book. आपकी मैम का नाम अदिति है मधुकर?
Can I introduce myself?
Yes, please go ahead.
Good evening. I am Piyush. My age is 15 years old. My likes are playing cricket. My goal is Navy officer. Become a Navy officer.
My goal is to become a Navy officer. Okay, wonderful. मतलब इतना याद रह गया है. चलो, very nice. But here today you all learned how to express what is better, isn't it? Today we learned about what is better, books or computers, and we also learned how Aditi overcame her fear, how she overcame her fear to speak in English. और आप लोग में से कौन कौन अदिति के जैसे फॉलो करोगे?
I am.
Very good. Yes. All of you.
I am.
Yes. I am. I will. I will. Very good.
I will, ma'am.
Yes. You will follow like Aditi. So are you all speaking in English with someone near your house? किससे बात करते हो?
Friends.
Friends. You speak with friends. So that is through mobile or face to face.
Face to face.
Wonderful. 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 So now I want you all to, whatever we discussed, those friends are from here only or from different this school?
Difference and friends also.
अच्छा जो different है, what I want you to do is I want you all to speak with them in English and discuss, rather debate, what is better, books or computers. Okay. Yes.